So hello everyone, it's me Nabin and I'm from Nepal. I'm currently studying at Liverpool International College, Kathmandu, and currently I'm learning Java with Spring Boot, and this is my first video of Java. So I know a lot of things related to Java, but in this video I will just do program of the hello world, like everybody does, like printing the hello world from their particular language. That's why I'm here also. Here I will make an package called hello world, and then I will make a Java class file that will be named the hello world.java. Here is the package name where you keep the file Java class file, and then the access is specified public class keyword and then the class name. And let us make the main function. First, public static void main string args, then we'll open the curly braces, and then I know already the shortcut in this IntelliJ IDE, so I will use that. Out display the to display the anything like the statement in this Java program, we use system.out.println, but the IntelliJ provides the shortcut way like stout to print this. And here I will write hello world, and this is done my program. Let's run it. Let's wait. Here you can see hello world was print, let add the two numbers south 6 plus 7, it will print directly. Here you can see the result 13. Only this much. Thank you.